In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can play Dota 2 on Linux. In order to play Dota 2, what you can do is you first need to head over into your Linux. Here are some things that you need to consider. So first, you need to install some things. So you need an actual Linux distributor. You can change or choose between Ubuntu as well. Now you also need Wine. So this is a familiar name to every Linux user. It acts as a compatibility layer. So to begin the installation process, open a terminal on your Linux and depending on your distribution, you can just click on the open terminal option. Now open your Steam and then download it. Now from in there, you should be able to download Dota 2 on Linux via this Steam. So head over and then open your Steam, search for Dota 2, and you should be able to install it. There are some issues launching Dota 2 on Linux, and you can also fix them according to which issue you're facing. After that, you should be able to play Dota 2 using that method. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.